Labycare is a brand manufactured by SKS363 and Surgicals, who manufactures ISO, European for Digit Notified, CDSCO certified products. Welcome to our video, introducing the SKS363 Incubator Shaker by SKS363 and Surgicals, an advanced tool designed for precise shaking and incubation, ideal for microbiology, cell cultures, and biochemical experiments. With its robust construction and reliable performance, the SKS363 ensures consistent results every time. Construction: the SKS363 features a stainless steel platform for durability and non-slip rubber mats for secure placement and easy cleaning.
Key features:
shaking speed, adjustable from 30 to 300 revolutions per minute, providing flexible control for gentle or vigorous shaking. Temperature range, 5 degrees Celsius above ambient to 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring stable incubation for various applications. Capacity options, configurations available for up to 4x1L flasks, accommodating different sample sizes. Digital control panel, temperature control. The digital control panel allows for precise temperature regulation. The up-down buttons let users easily increase or decrease the temperature, ensuring accurate settings for different experimental requirements. The temperature display provides real-time feedback, clearly showing the set temperature and ensuring no fluctuations during the incubation process. High temperature alerts. The system also includes visual and audible alarms to indicate when the temperature is outside the preset range, ensuring that the samples remain within optimal conditions. Shaking speed and timer settings. The digital control also allows easy adjustments of shaking speed 30 to 300 revolutions per minute and timer settings up to 99 hours and 59 minutes, giving users full control over their experimental parameters. Shaking speed, adjustable from 30 to 300 revolutions per minute, providing flexible control for gentle or vigorous shaking. Shaking platform size, available in different sizes to fit your sample volume needs. Capacity configurations, customizable for larger or smaller volumes depending on your requirements.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found this information helpful. For more details or to place an order, please visit SKS363 and Surgicals. Feel free to contact us for any questions or personalized solutions.